Need breakfast ideas for losing weight? Starting your day with a healthy breakfast is essential for weight loss. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, provides essential nutrients, and helps control hunger throughout the day. If you're struggling to find breakfast ideas that support your weight loss goals, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore a variety of delicious and nutritious breakfast options that will keep you satisfied while shedding those extra pounds. 1. Importance of breakfast for weight loss. A. Breakfast boosts metabolism. Eating breakfast signals your body to start burning calories, helping you burn more throughout the day. B. Controls appetite. A nutritious breakfast can prevent overeating later in the day by curbing cravings and keeping you full. C. Provides energy. Starting your day with a balanced meal provides the energy needed for physical activity and mental focus. D. Prevents unhealthy snacking. Eating breakfast reduces the likelihood of reaching for high-calorie snacks later in the day. 2. Key components of a healthy breakfast. A. Protein. Protein-rich foods help build and repair tissues, promote muscle growth, and keep you feeling full longer. B. Fiber. Fiber aids in digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes. C. Healthy fats. Incorporating sources of healthy fats into your breakfast can help keep you satisfied and support overall health. D. Complex carbohydrates. Whole grains provide sustained energy and essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to your breakfast. 3. Delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas. A. Protein-packed options. 1. Greek yogurt parfait with berries and almonds. 2. Scrambled eggs with spinach, tomatoes, and avocado. 3. Cottage cheese topped with sliced fruit and a sprinkle of cinnamon. B. Fiber-rich choices. 1. Oatmeal topped with sliced bananas, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. 2. Whole grain toast with mashed avocado and poached eggs. 3. Chia seed pudding with mixed berries and a dollop of Greek yogurt. C. Healthy fat options. 1. Smoothie made with spinach, banana, peanut butter, and almond milk. 2. Smoked salmon on whole grain toast with cream cheese and cucumber slices. 3. Avocado and tomato omelette served with whole wheat toast. D. Complex carbohydrate selections. 1. Quinoa breakfast bowl with roasted vegetables and a poached egg. 2. Whole grain pancakes topped with Greek yogurt and fresh fruit. 3. Whole wheat breakfast burrito filled with scrambled eggs, black beans, and salsa. 4. Tips for success. A. Plan ahead. Prepare breakfast ingredients in advance to save time during busy mornings. B. Focus on balance. Aim to include a combination of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in your breakfast. C. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness signs to determine appropriate portion sizes. D. Stay hydrated. Drink water or herbal tea alongside your breakfast to stay hydrated and support digestion. E. Be creative. Experiment with different ingredients and recipes to keep breakfast interesting and enjoyable. Finding breakfast ideas for weight loss doesn't have to be challenging. By incorporating protein, fiber, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates into your morning meal, you can support your weight loss goals while enjoying delicious and satisfying breakfast options. Remember to plan ahead, focus on balance, and listen to your body's signals to create a breakfast routine that works for you. With these tips and recipes, you'll be on your way to starting each day on a healthy and nutritious note. If you found the content valuable and informative, please subscribe to the channel for future updates on similar topics.